This is how you turn copper wire into art. Hello, good people. This is Sherry, and I'm going to show you how to make this copper wire bracelet today. I have my supplies. I have some very strong cutters. I have some rubber pliers. I have my flat nose and round nose pliers, and I have a pair of large bail making pliers. I also have a ball peen hammer and my steel block. My copper is a roll of 10 gauge copper wire that I got from Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. Now, copper is a pretty strong wire, so I really, had to use my strong cutters to cut it. I start out using my round nose pliers to make a loop in my wire. I use my large bail making pliers to make a series of curves. I'm going to have like a wave design. I'm going to be wrapping this wire, and I'm going to start out at the small end of my pliers. I'm going to make about two curves with this size, and then I'm going to go up to my middle size for one, and then I will make one wrap with the largest part, and then I'll go back down to the smallest one in that same order. I didn't cut my wire because I didn't know how much wire I was going to need for this project. This copper wire is pretty strong, so you need a bit of hand strength to work with it, but using the pliers is very helpful. Now I'm going to make my loop to close this off. Now I'm going to push my loops together. Now I'll use my steel block to and hammer my copper. I'm using the rounded part of the ball peen hammer. I love the design that you get from hammering with this rounded part of the hammer. I use my plastic block to help keep the wire in shape, because as you hammer and manipulate it, it gets out of shape, but using the plastic block helps to flatten it back out. I'm using this spool of copper to shape my bracelet. I normally have some other round something, but I'm just using this to give it a round shape. So now I'm just using my hands to continue to shape it and size it. So I've got it to where it fits comfortably on my hands. And here it is on a model. Would you wear this? Would you make this? Leave me a comment and let me know. If you're new here, I'm Sherry, owner and designer for Sharika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. We also are the creators of the Hobby to Hustle community on the school platform, where we talk about helping you make money with your jewelry. So we invite you to join us. We have two tiers, a free tier and a paid tier. So come on in and check us out. If you like working with copper, we have several other videos where we make some easy copper jewelry. So check that out. I'll put a link to this video in the description so it'll be easy to find. If you have experience with copper, let me know what you think. I hear lots of people who love wearing copper bracelets, so let me know. All right, good people, you know the drill. This is Sherry, and I need you to leave me a comment, leave me a thumbs up, like the video. If you haven't subscribed, I'd love for you to subscribe. We're trying to increase our subscriber count so that we can bring more videos to you. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.